In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compress images to Oxipng using Squoosh, an efficient and user-friendly online tool for image compression. Whether you're aiming to reduce the file size of an image for web use or simply trying to save some space, Squoosh is a fantastic solution. So let's dive in and take this step by step. First, you'll want to open your preferred browser and navigate to the Squoosh website. The URL is simply squoosh.app. Once there, you'll be greeted with a straightforward and clean interface that's specifically designed for ease of use. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. You'll notice a large area prompting you to either drop or paste your image files. This is where the magic begins. Next, click on that drop or paste section to get started on your image compression journey. If you have the image ready on your clipboard, simply paste it by using the standard shortcut. Otherwise, you can drag and drop the image file from your computer directly into this area. This intuitive feature makes the process seamless, so you don't need to go through any complex upload procedures. After you've selected or pasted your image, Squoosh will automatically open the image in its editor. Here's your chance to preview and make any necessary adjustments before applying the compression. To choose the right image, ensure that it is visible and accurately represents what you intend to compress. This is particularly useful if you're working with similar images and need a confirmation step. Once your image is uploaded and visible in the editor, you'll want to select the Oxipng option for compression. Oxipng is a powerful PNG optimizer included in Squoosh that is known for its efficiency in reducing file sizes without a noticeable loss in quality. Simply click on the Oxipng option from the list of available compression tools. Squoosh provides real-time feedback, showing you the original image alongside the compressed version, making it easy to discern any differences. Now that you've selected Oxipng, the final step is to download your newly compressed image. You'll see a download button, usually marked clearly with a downward arrow symbol. Click this button to save the optimized image to your desired location on your computer. The transformation is now complete, and you've managed to compress your image into a smaller, more manageable file without sacrificing quality. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to compress images using Squoosh and the Oxipng tool. Remember, this process not only helps in saving storage space, but also enhances web page load times if you're working on a website. Thanks for watching and happy compressing.